Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Walaikum assalam.
May I come in?
Yes, come in.
Good morning.
Good morning. Please sit.
Thank you.
Welcome. What is your name?
My name is Najifahi.
What class do you read in?
I read class 2.
What is your school name?
My school name is Harvard School and College 6 campus.
What is your father name?
My father name is Saurana.
What is your father?
My father is a teacher.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Zit Islam.
What is your mother?
My mother is housewife.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Onu because she is very friendly.
What is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Bengali.
What is our national fruits?
Our national fruit is jackfruit.
What is our national flower?
Our national flower is water lily.
হ্যাঁ একটু জোরে বলো।
Water lily.
Thank you.
Welcome.
You can go now. সালাম।
Assalamualaikum, Miss. Thank you.
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। Goodbye.